me, I'm on Hermes from Vivian Hair Design Spain. As you see, we have here Jivan. I'm going to show you today how to cut a fringe a very easy way. Yes? So this is her fringe. As you see, we want to cut her hair a right fringe. So what we need to do is first take a little bit from this part here. So we cut the first line. Lovely nice fringe, and then we take the second part, so put it here. So what will happen automatically, we take the second part, we leave it a little bit long, the second part. So we don't want to make it too short for her, so we leave it a little bit long fringe for Jivan from Ireland. Jivan, see, this is the first line. Now I'm gonna go on the side, so show you how to cut this side fringe the same. So we take a little bit of hair, put the hair here. So we're gonna cut this fringe. See, very nice, lovely fringe. What we did is actually, and then we take this one again, we leave it here, we come back here, lovely, nice, fringe, beautiful, nice, lovely, and it's so pretty fringe. As you see, I have cut this short and in the middle is long, and that's very nice, very attractive. When you cut the fringe, beautiful, very nice. So here, just a little bit more to get the effect of the fringes. You. If you will take that one, you get a different nice lovely hair and very attractive fringe. This is the result. Look at the mirror, beautiful, nice. Okay, Jivan, you like it? Yes?
Love it.
Thank you very much. This is Jivan from Ireland. I'm going to show you how to cut the fringe. Just try to cut shorter and shorter, little bit long. That's the Thank you very much for looking at us, Jivan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So this is me, I'm on Hermes from Vivian Hair Design. As you see, I have here with me Jivan from Ireland. Yes, Jivan. What we did, we cut her hair very nice, very beautiful, lovely. So Jivan, do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
Hello everybody, my name is Siobhan and I came over especially to have a man to do my hair from Ireland over to Spain, and I'm very happy with it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.